Nandini? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes. A very good morning to one and all. The most respected chief guest, Dr. Vishnu Vardhana, Vice Chancellor, University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, Karnataka, and our Honorable Director of NIFTEM Tanjavur, Dr. V. Palanimuthu sir, distinguished guests and speakers for technical session, staffs and students of NIFTEM Tanjavur, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to one and all. With immense pleasure, I would like to share that today's webinar is on Moringa processing and value addition, has been organized under the banner of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, promoting the Atmanirbhar Bharat as part of the scheme, Prime Minister Formalization of Micro-Food Processing Enterprises. May I now invite Dr. V.R. Sinija Madam, Professor and Head, PMFME Coordinator of NIFTEM Tanjavur, for the welcome address, please.
Thank you, Nandini. Most respected Chief Guest, Dr. Vishnu Vardhana sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, Karnataka, and our beloved Director of NIFTEM Tanjavur, most respected Professor V. Palanimuthu sir, reputed speakers from various institutions as well as organizations, industries, SNA, SLTA members, participants from across the country, and my dear colleagues and staff and students from NIFTEM Tanjavur, a pleasant morning to all. With immense pleasure, I am welcoming you all to the inaugural ceremony of our 25th National Webinar under the PMFME scheme today. The PMFME scheme launched by our Ministry of Food Processing Industries in the year 2020 with the aim of upgradation of micro food processing enterprises spread across our country, which is contributing nearly 23% of the processed food in our country. And capacity building is one of the most important activity under this scheme, and NIFTEM Tanjavur is playing a very important role as the national nodal institute for imparting capacity building training activities to the various stakeholders, and to create awareness about the business opportunities in food processing sector, and also to create awareness about the PMFME scheme. We are organizing these national webinars on different crops every month. And today our focus is on Moringa processing and value addition. So for centuries, we are using Moringa because of the health benefits as well as the medicinal properties. And in Ayurveda, they are telling that its benefits almost equal to honey or the nectar. And anyway, you will be hearing more about various aspects of processing, value addition, etc. During the following technical sessions. And now I will come to my duty. Today, our chief guest is Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, Dr. Vishnu Vardhana sir. Though it was a very short notice, without any hesitation, sir accepted our invitation and amidst of his busy schedule, joined with us on time. And thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation. And on behalf of Director NIFTEM Tanjavur and the entire NIFTEM-T family, and also on behalf of all the participants, I wholeheartedly welcome you for this inaugural session, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So next I would like to welcome our beloved director, sir, who is always there supporting us, motivating us and guiding us to organize such type of webinars as like any other functions in our institute. So thank you so much, sir, for your support, and on behalf of entire NIFTEM-T family and on behalf of all the participants, extending a very warm welcome to you, sir, for this inaugural session. Next, I would like to extend a hearty welcome to all our eminent speakers who have accepted our invitation and delivering the lectures in today's webinar. Welcome you all. Also, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the participants. Actually, our registration is close to 2,500 for this webinar. So thank you so much for supporting continuously our webinar activities. And I'm sure that you all will be enlightened by the talk of our eminent speakers. And this will be very beneficial for those who are planning to start up some ventures and also those who wanted to avail the benefits of the PMFME scheme. Also, I extend a very warm welcome to all NIFTEM-T family members, staff, students, and once again, welcoming you all for this inaugural function of this national webinar on Moringa processing and value addition. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now invite for today's program our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Vishnu Vardhana, Vice Chancellor, University of Horticultural Science, Bhagalkot, Karnataka. I would quickly introduce Sir to you. Sir has pursued his bachelor's, post-graduation, and doctoral degree in horticulture and has acquired 28 years of services in various capacity of SAU since 1995. He started his career in AICRB on cashew at ARS Chintamani and developed a new variety of Chintamani 02 and recommended two varieties for adoption in Karnataka. Sir has worked on various research stations and actively participated on developmental activities like establishment of new research station, research field and extension unit at Mudigar and Holigere. He has also served as a Dean Campus Head at College of Horticulture, Bangalore and Mysore from 2018 to March 2024. He has guided many postgraduate students and PhD scholars and published more than 200 peer-reviewed research papers, technical bulletins, technical folders, book chapters, scientific books, and popular articles to disseminate the research findings for scientific community and also farmers. He has awarded with many laurels such as Dr. Abdul Kalam Lifetime Achievement in 2015, SCIRE Best Horticulturist Award 2018, and Distinguished Researcher Award in 2019, and received national and international recognition from the contribution in the field of horticulture. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation. The session is over to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, namaskar. Good morning to you all. Respected directors of NIFTEM Sanjeev, Sir V. Palanimuthu, Registrar, Deans, faculty members, speakers from various organizations, participants from across the country, ladies and gentlemen, very warm morning to all. It's indeed a pleasure to address you all today during the inaugural session of one-day national webinar on Moringa processing and value addition hosted by NIFTEM-T under PMFME scheme. I am deeply honored to join you today as the chief guest for this enlightening webinar on Moringa processing and value addition. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the organizers for conveying this important discussion which delves into transformative potential of harnessing Moringa to enhance nutrition, empower communities, and foster sustainable development. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, embodies nature's bounty and resilience. Its remarkable nutritional profile, coupled with its adaptability to diverse climates and minimal resource requirements, positions it as a beacon of hope in our quest for healthier and more sustainable future. The theme of today's webinar, focusing on Moringa processing and value addition, is both timely and pertinent. Processing Moringa unlocks its full potential, rendering it more palatable, accessible, and marketable, whether through drying, milling, oil extraction, or creation of value-added products. Each step in the processing journey adds value not only to the plant itself, but also to the lives and livelihoods of those involved in its cultivation and production. Value addition transforms Moringa from a mere crop to a catalyst for economic empowerment and community development by creating a diverse array of products such as Moringa powder, capsules, cosmetics, and functional foods. We not only meet the growing demand for nutritious and sustainable products, but also create employment opportunities, particularly in rural areas where Moringa cultivation flourishes. Further, the nutritional and health implications of Moringa cannot be overstated. Its abundance of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids not only nourishes our bodies but also fortifies our immune system, combats inflammation, and promotes overall well-being. As we explore the potential of Moringa to address pressing health challenges, let us also remain mindful of the need to ensure equitable access to these benefits for all. I commend the organizers and participants of this webinar for their dedication to exploring the myriad dimension of Moringa processing and value addition by leveraging the power of Moringa. We have to we have the opportunity to create a more resilient, equitable, and sustainable future for generations to come. I look forward to the insightful discussions and fruitful collaborations that will undoubtedly emerge from today's webinar. Together, let us harness the potential of Moringa to nourish our bodies, empower our communities, and safeguard our planet. I congratulate and compliment the team for timely organizing the webinar on wonderful crop Moringa to create awareness among the public. I wish you all the success. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Namaskara.
Namaskara.
I was very grateful to you. This webinar, normally we conduct our webinars are attended by a lot of people. Previous webinar, nearly 6,000 people registered. Of course, they join about 5,500, 2,000. Today, about 2,500. Maybe slowly number will increase. Maybe now it is 350. They will increase. We have whatever we conduct, there will be always we'll have the chief guest of really eminent people. Unlike in many webinars, NIFTEM-T always hunts for very big shots. And thank you very much, sir, for your kind cooperation.
Thank you. I wish you all the best.
Now, Barbeko, sir,
Kandita birthday.
correct time you please come, sir.
Definitely, I will come. Thank you for your invitation.
Thank you very much, sir, for your gracious presence and inspiring us with those kind words. Now I request our director, sir, to kindly felicitate the chief guest with memento as a token of gratitude.
Sir, this is the Lord Krishna Tanjavur painting for you. This will come to your place by courier.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We will send the memento to your office address, sir. Thank you for joining with us today.
Thank you.
Now I'd like to welcome our beloved Director of NIFTEM-T, Dr. V. Paranimuthu sir. Sir holds a PhD degree from IIT Kharagpur with specialization in post-harvest processing and food engineering. Sir, research areas include the design and development of new agro-processing machinery and post-harvest processing of agro-produce. As the scheme head of ICAR AICRP, he created well-equipped laboratories for food product development and food analysis. He has a patent on a process for manufacture of enriched instant rice, developed 16 prototypes, machinery and gadgets that are commercialized through NRDC by the UAS, and developed 9 value-added product technologies that are recommended for commercialization, and authored 3 books, published 77 full-length research papers in reputed journals, and 19 popular articles. In recognition of his contributions, Sir has been awarded the ICAR Best Teacher Award for the year 2014 to 15 from UAS Bangalore, and the Buyout Fellowship Award 2009 by the Buyout Research Society Allahabad, and many more. Sir also served as a member of various high-level committees, which include ICAR, DOCR, Institute Research Council, Academic Council, UAS, and many more. May I now invite Dr. V. Paranimuthu sir for presidential address, please.
Very good morning to all of you, especially our Honorable Vice Chancellor from University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, my long-time friend, and we were colleagues in the same university, University of Agriculture, Bangalore. Of course, they later on, separated into a new university, and we were in the same campus, GKVK, for quite some time. And thank you, sir, for coming. And there are many eminent speakers. Good morning to all of you. And I really congratulate our PMFE team of NIFTEM-T. They conduct wonderful programs because they are the nodal centers for capacity building programs of University of Food Processing Industries under the very big scheme, 10,000 crore scheme, PMFE scheme. And they organize regularly these webinars apart from many other programs, many other hands-on training programs. I think last count they have done 1,500 hands-on training programs. Recently they conducted 1,500 program. And this PMFE webinar, we conduct many other webinars, but this one is special because this is attended by across the country from various states. Today's topic, Moringa, processing and value addition. Of course, Moringa is taken as one of the ODOP product. 2 districts in the country, one in Bihar, Shiongar, and Karur in Tamil Nadu, they were identified as Moringa ODOP districts. That way, no, last 10 years, see, one of the best sambar I like is the Moringa leaf infused dal. That sambar, my mother, whenever I always stayed outside my home for a long time during my studies. Whenever I turned back to my home, we had one Moringa tree. And that taste is much different from other trees. So she always first makes that sambar for me whenever I come back home. I love that sambar, Moringa sambar. Of course, my wife gives me only palya type, that poriyal type. Yes, fried, boiled and then made into a kind of a vegetable. But Moringa, we know for a long time what is Moringa and all. This Moringa was not picking up as it is today because of one particular variety which came to market as annual Moringa, PKM1 from TNAU. Some long time back, maybe about 20 years back. Later on, many varieties, many universities have come up with varieties. That was the one time that Moringa actually came to market in big way. Otherwise, it's a domestic tree. In households, we grow and here and there. And people were using for centuries, as told by our Dr. Sinija. But it was not organized cultivation at that time. This annual Moringa completely changed the scenario last 10 years because of this nutritional profile and its therapeutic value. Moringa has become a very big export commodity. Moringa, you have Moringa powder, Moringa extracts, many Moringa based products which are already come to market, some bars and other things. No, the market is growing. Nearly $5.6 billion is the Moringa market size, and it's expected to grow to $10 billion. Even the extract alone is about $1.5 billion, and it is likely to grow to double with the compounded CAGR of about 15%. And Moringa market is growing at about 6%, 8% CAGR rate of growth. And India, of course, because we are using for a long time, and we are the market leaders. 80% is made from here. There are many factories. Even Karnataka, some company near Bagalkot, I believe, they are making very small bottles. I have met them, but I have not visited the plant. They are exporting. The product cost is really very high in international market. Now, why we really choose Moringa? And of course, our later on speakers will say, we love carrot for beta carotene, potassium, banana. For potassium, we eat banana. We want to eat, say, iron. We want to use, calcium for milk. We use milk. Like this, there are many minerals: iron, calcium, even protein. We use lentils and peas. All these things are much more in quantity in Moringa leaves than in other commodities, which we really prefer to eat. That is the speciality of Moringa leaves and Moringa drumstick. See, now even the chicken legs, we call it as drumstick. Originally, it came from our drumstick. We, NIFTEM-T has developed a couple of machines to really take out the leaves from the Moringa branches which you cut. Anyway, you have to process, and we have already developed a machine which is ready for commercialization, and we have developed another machine to make the Moringa long sticks into optimum size pieces. It cuts into pieces about 3 to 4 inches. Depending upon our requirement, because that is the way it is processed and then put it in the market. We have these two machines already present. We have some Moringa products already ready for commercialization. Some of them are commercialized as well. And I am very happy, and this is very timely also, that our PMFE team, on behalf of Ministry of Food Processing Industry, is conducting this webinar. And I'm happy that I don't know what is the last count. I've already joined the program. Let me check a minute. I think already 335 are online, and that number shows the importance of this webinar. We are expecting more. I think it will go to 600, 700, maybe in another half an hour or 1 hour. Always our people are very late. Thank you very much for inviting me to give my remarks before the technical session. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing valuable and informative thoughts with us. Now, may I invite Dr. D.V. Chidanand, sir, Associate Professor and Head in Charge, IIC NIFTEM-T for the formal vote of thanks, please.
Respected Dr. Vishnuvardhan, sir, Vice Chancellor, UHS Bagalkot, Dr. V. Pallimuntu, sir, Director NIFTEM-T, and resource persons and faculties and participants, good morning to all. I deem it's a great privilege to propose vote of thanks in this ODOP webinar on Moringa processing and value addition. On behalf of NIFTEM-T family, to sincerely thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Vishnuvardhan, sir, Vice Chancellor, UHS Bagalkot, who has made his gracious presence today's program in spite of his busy schedule. So once again, thank you, sir, for our wonderful message to the all Moringa processors. And also, I would like to thank our beloved director, sir, Dr. V. Pallimuntu, sir, for his support for organizing this event in a fruitful manner. And then we are extremely thankful to all resource persons. Today, they are going to deliver a wonderful lectures. And also, I would like to thank all participants from all over India who are all participating in this program. And also, would like to thank deans of NIFTEM-T and the register, and then head of the departments, faculties and staffs, for their valuable support for organizing this program. And also special thanks to our PMFME team and computer team at NIFTEM-T for their support. Once again, thanks to all those who are all presenting, attending this program. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we came to the end of the inaugural session. We'll start our first technical sessions of the day on industry perspectives on Moringa products. So participants, if you have any questions during the presentation, please type them into the chat box. We'll bring them up after the end of the session. So without further delay, we'll proceed with the first technical session on processing and value addition of Moringa.
For this session, we have with us Dr. Vincent Hema, Associate Professor, FPBIC, NIFTEM Thanjavur. Madam got her graduate and doctoral degree from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University in Food Science and Nutrition. She began her career in NIFTEM Thanjavur as a senior researcher with a specialization in functional food product development at Food Processing Business Incubation Center. She has received several awards, including the NIFTEM Thanjavur Dr. Subramaniam Best Scientist Award for Outstanding Research, SKOCH Group Safe Food Project Merit Award for Non-Dairy Millet Ice Cream, and Maua Nutriba. She was the awardee of the fellowship by the University of Saskatchewan and Saskatchewan Pulse Grower Association for Doctoral Research and Women Scientist Research Fellowship at Department of Science and Technology for the development of diversified functional food products. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our invitation. The session is over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can you hear me? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Slides are visible. You are audible, ma'am.
Very good morning, one and all present here. I welcome all the participants for the today's session. So now we have the nutritious treat for health and wellness by using the miracle Moringa. So value addition of Moringa, of course, we well known.
I'm sorry for the interruption.
Yeah.
Kindly make the slides in the slideshow mode, ma'am.
I open in this slideshow mode now. Is it visible? It's in slideshow mode only.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, we can't able to see.
Is it visible?
Ma'am, you can share the entire screen, ma'am.
1 second, I will stop the sharing. I will do it again. 1 second. Is it okay? Nandini, is it visible?
No, ma'am, it's not visible, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen, but now it is on slideshow mode, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, fine. So of course, that value addition of Moringa, that miracle Moringa market, of course, we know that status in India is the largest producers and suppliers. Of course, that market status you can see, it can be a food supplement and also it can be a pharmaceutical ingredients. It can be additives and as well the product. So also that miracle Moringa market, you can see that popularity we have globally. We have the import market, and also we are important playing important role in the export market, of course. So the main market what we have as a food supplement, we are supplying the European market. The market size also you can see it is expecting that billion, 12 billion by 2028. Global market also India play major role. More than 500 to 1,000 tons of moringa and its products we are exporting, and that annual growth rate it is indicate more than 10%. Main imported market, European markets, we could say German, US, Austria, France, and Spain. And the product in terms of products, so that we can say that Moringa business and entrepreneurship development, it's a lighthouse for the healthy life and way for the happy life. It's all part of Moringa. We can use in terms of leaves, bark, flowers, fruit, seeds, and roots. That ingredient market, you could see the global market in terms of leaf powder market itself, that will more than 6 billion market size we have. And also that Moringa seed oil, it's also called as ben oil, and is that Moringa ben oil also it is having the highest demand. And also the leaf of the Moringa, we have a good demand in the beverage industry, of course, that refreshing